Submitting documents to American Express for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is complete and accurate. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that American Express requires for account approval. This may include proof of identity, income verification, and any other relevant financial information. Step 2. Check submission guidelines. Visit the American Express website or contact customer service to review the specific submission guidelines. This will help you understand the format and types of documents they accept. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Make sure your documents are clear and legible. If you are submitting digital copies, scan them at high resolution. If you are sending physical copies, ensure they are neatly organized. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the instructions provided by American Express to submit your documents. This may involve uploading them through an online portal, emailing them, or mailing physical copies to a designated address. Step 5. Confirm receipt. After submission, check for confirmation from American Express that your documents have been received. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for any updates regarding your application status. By following these steps, you can effectively submit your documents to American Express for account approval. Good luck with your application.